First of all, I would like to thank each and everybody who visited here as a part of goodwill gesture. Special credit goes to all the media partners who have visited here. So I would like to thank each and everybody who has come here. Today was the inauguration of this gym, Fitness Culture Gym. In this gym, we have the latest technology equipment that you will hardly find in J&K. We have the latest technology in the gym. We have the experts, we have the trainer. But on the other hand, we would like to respect the law and order of the state government as well as the central government. We are expecting that LG of Jammu and Kashmir will release soon orders in order to open the gyms and saloons, because it was just an inauguration function in order to inaugurate it. Rest we are waiting the orders of the government. And rest we believe that fitness is a culture and fitness is a lifestyle. The main theme of opening this gym is that no doubt it is a part of business, but the concept of Mr. Manzoor Ahmad Bhatt and Mr. Raj Bhatt. The main theme of the concept is that the youth are involved in the drugs and other societal activities. In order to divert their attention, rather to channelize that very power of their youth towards the fitness and the supports, so that they can live a healthy life, in order to release that stress and strain from their minds. This is the main theme. Rest we are waiting for the government orders. As soon as the government will provide the orders, it will be functional fully. They have no jobs. What they do? They are in the stress and strain. So, but in this condition, in these hard circumstances, the youth should keep a balance in their mind, and they have to do one thing. They have to focus on the supports. They have to go for cricket. They have to go for volleyball, football, gym, athletics, in order to eradicate that very problem from their minds. So that's the best message from our end. यही तो कंसेप्ट था राज भट्ट का, मंजूर अहमद भट्ट साहब का, कि लोग जो यूथ है मोस्टली वो इफेक्ट हो गए ड्रग्स की तरफ, उनकी एनालाइज चैनलाइज हो जाए, उनकी जो पावर है जो बॉडी का यूटिलाइज से दिस से बाईपास फॉर दैट इन ऑर्डर टू मूव टुवर्ड्स द ड्रग्स, जस्ट मूव टुवर्ड्स द एथलीट्स. जो फिट है वो हिट है. जस्ट वी बिलीव दैट फिटनेस इज अ लाइफस्टाइल, फिटनेस इज अ कल्चर. फोकस यूर
जो हमारे तहसील सिंहपुरा है, जो हमारा यूथ है, इससे मेरी ये मैसेज है कि वो आके फिटनेस कल्चर देखे तो इंशाल्लाह उनको बहुत अच्छा लगे. और मुझे सबसे बड़ी ये खुशी है कि यहाँ का जो इनाग्रेशन हुई है ये मंजूर अहमद भट्ट साहब ने की है, जो कि दून इंटरनेशनल स्कूल के चेयरमैन है, तो मैं उनका भी शुक्रगुजार हूँ. और जो यहाँ